Sa totoo lang, hindi po talaga biro yung ginagawa ng mga batang to. These kids are fighting for their dreams. Personally, I didn't have the courage when I was a kid. Iba yung dinala yung inspirasyon sa akin. Not moving forward doesn't define your talent or your future. The best moments or the best growth, natatanggap natin yan or nararanasan natin yan kapag natatalo tayo. We learn, but we continue moving forward. There will always be someone better than you in singing. You might be better than some others, but always remember yung pakiramdam, the feeling that you leave the audience, because that will touch their hearts and inspire them to do well din sa mga ginagawa nila.